Alright guys, how are we doing today? Steve Mingleco, Final Web Design. Today I want to show you how I'm using Moz SEO and Claude Code to optimize all my websites and show you a little bit about how already the organic traffic is booming. So let's get into it. Final Web Design, this is Steve. Alright guys, what's going on? So we are here on one of my websites. It's called djsmiamiflorida.com. As you can see here, it's a DJ website for the South Florida area. And I've been getting a few notifications from Moz that my website is not optimized like it should be. So essentially what I want to show you in this video is how it's going to go through and actually clean up a lot of these redirect issues for me. So I've gone into Moz already and I've opened up the account. Let me show you actually in Moz where the issues are. We'll go back to the correct campaign. And you can see here that there is a list of issues that are showing for the redirect. So total crawl issues, there's 31 redirect issues. A redirect is a way that sends both the user and the search engine to a different URL. So as you can see here, it's about us / corporate DJs. This shouldn't be done this way. This needs to just be about us and it needs to be corporate DJs. So there's a redirect chain happening here that's causing this redirect issue. So now I'm going to show you when I go into Claude, how they're able to actually take my Moz page and data, analyze it, pull it into my WordPress, and do the redirect changes for me. So I've gotten to this step now where I'm in the back of my WordPress. I've essentially said, hey, can you help me resolve these redirect issues for DJs Miami, Florida, showing in my Moz SEO. And it says I pulled it up. There's 21 redirect chain issues. There's 10 temporary redirects. And it goes into how to fix the issues. Now it asks to provide my webmaster, which is myself, to go in and make these changes for the system. But what I'm going to do is try to have Claude do all of the changes on their own. So essentially it's gone in and is explaining how to fix this, and it's telling me that they don't actually have access to the web server or the hosting, so they're going to need me to log in or to make the changes. It says, or hand this list to your developer webmaster. I responded, can I log you into my WordPress? And can you make those changes for me? And essentially it said it cannot log in, but I logged it in for it. And then it says, I checked the site, currently handles redirects. So it found these two plugins, Yoast SEO, which is a standard SEO plugin for WordPress, which a lot of people are familiar with. And it says I need a pro feature in that. Well, I haven't bought the pro at Yoast SEO. Maybe I should do that at some stage, but for now it says there's also a plugin called Redirection, which I've used in the past. It's a free plugin, and it's saying that it can do that job for me. So I haven't gone through now and done it, but it says, can I activate the redirect plugin so I can set up the 301 to redirect? I'm going to say, yes, Claude, please go ahead and set up, oh, where'd it go? Yes, please go ahead and activate the redirection plugin and update the 301 redirect issues. Now Claude's going to go through, it's going to analyze this. It's probably going to go back here in the back of my WordPress and update this redirection, which is not active. So I guess I could have probably activated for it. It's saying activate the redirect plugin from the WordPress. It'll do that for me, I believe. Open the redirection settings and create the URLs. Show the full list and spot check. So let's go to approve plan. It will start to actually walk through the process. And it's working, as you can see. So once this clears out all of these issues, my site should have a pretty good optimization as far as there's really no issues within the website itself from an SEO standpoint. And if you see in my Google Search Console how much this has already helped. So I was getting 30, 40, 50 impressions a day. This last week we're getting 7, 120, 140, 140. This day even had 224. So we're already within 3-month period getting 2-3 times as much clicks. So let's go back. Let's see how Moz is doing on the issues. It's reopen your Moz redirect, activate the redirection plugin. Okay, so we're going to go to approve. I thought I already did that. Unless I have two of these open now. Nope, this is just the site itself. So it's actually logging in. It's going through this. This is Claude is active, as you can see. It's making these changes for me. And I'll go back and see what it's doing. It's creating a plan, checking the open tabs, navigating to Moz, navigating to the analytics, and it's going to go in and actually make these changes for me. You can see the cursor here that is controlled by Moz itself, or by Claude, I'm sorry. And it's going to start to go through, and it's reading and making those changes for us without us having to do anything. So I could get really deep into this and go really far, and maybe I will. You can see the screen's moving. I'm not touching anything. It's making those changes. It's starting to activate the redirect plugin and go through and make those redirect changes with the issues from Moz. And I could go into more of this, and I probably will, just to kind of show how SEO can be optimized using tools like AI and Claude and Gemini, and where this is kind of going in the future. Because ultimately, using AI to build your site and build your SEO is so important now, because then AI knows it's there. You know, you want to work with those tools, just like you always wanted to work with Google, because Google's a search console, or Google's a search engine. You want to work with Claude or Gemini or other AI sources now to help let the AI know your site, let the AI know what you're doing. So guys, I just kind of wanted to go through this initial. It's going to be working for a while, and maybe I'll do another video as far as what the results are. But as you can see, Claude is a super powerful SEO tool. So here it's actually running through this right now and making the changes in my Moz. Look at it, it's moving. I did not touch anything there. It's going through and reading the process, which as a human, it's very doable, but it's still very complicated. Yeah, I mean, you got to match links. You got to see where, you know, what's the correct one, what's the non-correct one. Is there a backslash needed? Is there not? Is it going to a page of a page? Is it going to... So let Claude do the dirty work. Sit back, but you have to know what you're looking for to let Claude know what to do. So guys, I hope this video kind of shows a quick glance of SEO, Claude, Moz, and we'll get back and show you the results. So catch you in the next one. Peace.